फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन, ह्यूज कांग्रेचुलेशन क्रैकडाउन के लिए। काफी
थैंक यू सो
बनी
मच,
हुई
थैंक
ऑडियंस थी। तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्रैकडाउन के बारे में? क्या कुछ हलचल आसपास दिखाई दे रही है? क्या कुछ एक्साइटमेंट आसपास दिखाई दे रही है?
लॉकडाउन के बारे में या क्रैकडाउन के बारे में?
क्रैकडाउन के बारे में भी बात करेंगे, लॉकडाउन के बारे में भी बात।
लॉकडाउन काफी मुश्किल रहा सभी के लिए।
जी
आई थिंक इट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम देन, आगे जाके भी इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट। बहुत सारे सवाल हैं जिनके लिए हमें वी स्टिल डू नॉट हैव आंसर्स। वी आर ऑल थिंकिंग कि अब क्या होगा, and there are no answers for questions like this. It was a tough time. Lots of emotions up and down, emotions up and down and all over the place. Personally, it has affected people. Professionally, it has affected people. It has affected our economy in such a bad way. Work wise, हमें ये नहीं पता है कि कब, when is it all going to start, when is work going to start, और अगर चालू हुआ भी, when we get to work, for us as actors, it requires us to actually go to set and expose ourselves, where we
एग्जैक्टली
cannot wear masks and we can't wear our gloves. So even if work starts, we get to work, chalo COVID ho jaye, that's one thing. We might be able to fight it, but वो रहता है ना कि what if I get COVID and I give it to somebody else? If I give it to my parents, or I give it to kids who are around. So there are lots of questions in our heads. There are no answers right now, and it has affected everybody's life. The only difference, I guess, is that we had the luxury, or not luxury. I'd say we were fortunate enough to have the outdoor space. But personally, there were so many people that lost their loved ones, and or you knew of friends, or you knew of besides family, you knew friends or neighbors, for example, who are no more today. I've gone through my share of people who I knew who are not here anymore because COVID took them away from us. So it was a very trying time, and it still is. We're just hoping that this virus sort of weakens itself down, and we learn to live with it. If we have to live with it, then we learn to live with it in a way that it doesn't affect us so badly.
एग्जैक्टली वी आर ऑल होपिंग कि जल्द से जल्द ये खत्म हो जाए, ये माहौल जो है, ये जो
Yeah.
पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है वो खत्म हो जाए, पहले की तरह माहौल हो जाए। सो क्रैकडाउन के बारे में बात करते हैं। क्या है क्रैकडाउन? क्या कुछ आने वाला है हम सबके सामने?
So, Crackdown, if you guys have already seen the teaser, it is an action-packed series directed by Apurva Lakhia, who is a maestro as far as action is concerned. मेरे लिए, I was excited to do this because I was doing action for the first time, and it is
जी
my OTT debut. और action करते करते, I understand now that it is very thrilling. My blood gets rushing while I'm doing action. I hope I do more in this genre. Garima Kalra, I can't say too much about my character,
कैरेक्टर
but I can say we rehearsed at least for 2 months. All of us together, Sakib, Shreya, myself, we were training for action, and we were trying out different kicks. And we were trying different kicks, or karte I landed on my ankle really badly, and I had a ligament tear. So for 3 weeks I could not train. I couldn't even walk. I couldn't put my foot on the ground. But through all the aches, through all the pains, through the ligament tear, all the sweat and tears, it's something that we did with a lot of passion. And when I see it, I've seen some rushes, and it's really looking good. And I'm hoping that people go out and watch it and love it.
एग्जैक्टली। सो वलुषा, अगर बात की जाए तो आपने डेब्यू किया था फैन के साथ, शाहरुख की फिल्म फैन के साथ, और उसके बाद वेरिएशंस काफी नजर आई, जैसा कि आप इस बार एक्शन करते हुए नजर आएंगी। तो ये वेरिएशन क्या, मतलब क्या थॉट होता है आजकल कोई फिल्म चूज करनी है, या फिर क्या क्या थॉट के साथ चलती है अगर कोई फिल्म हमें करनी है या आपको करनी है?
बस एक ही thought कि I have responsibilities,
ओके
and I don't have the luxury of saying no to work that comes my way. There is work that you're really not set on and you're really not keen on, And okay, so for those you eliminate and you say okay no, but with a heavy heart. Hosting was something that again an opportunity presented itself. It was a great show. Naturally, it was a great show, great platform. Co-hosting with Manish Paul was was fun. He's witty, he's funny, and he comes up with things in that moment. So I thought, why not? I look at work that comes my way with a lot of gratitude. So just thankful for it to come my way. A missed opportunity with Inshallah. I would have worked with Sanjay Leela Bansali in Inshallah.
जी
So that was a missed opportunity. And there I feel like, damn, because he's one director that he's like, my dream director, basically. So if I had to be in his film, even holding a lamppost, yeah, I would do it, in the background somewhere, because he just makes every character look so beautiful. And his for me, it's like art in motion. So missed opportunity there. But then here comes a Crackdown, a thriller, something that I'm very excited about. And yeah, this has been my journey. I've never planned my journey in life. I've just let life happen to me. I've never thought, in 1 year I want to see myself here, and in 5 years this is what I want to achieve. No, I haven't ever planned. So I just let things happen.
एग्जैक्टली सो अगर बात की जाए तो आप लॉकडाउन भले ही सभी का मतलब बुरा ही रहा है वैसे तो फिर भी आप लॉकडाउन में सलमान के फार्म हाउस पर थी और बहुत ही ज्यादा चिल मस्ती जो कि वीडियो हमारे सामने है आपने सलमान का इंटरव्यू भी किया जैकलिन के साथ वो क्या एक्सपीरियंस था क्या कुछ कैसे सलमान को खास बनाता है
I think coming out of this lockdown, there's one thing that I've learned is, we were all going through very difficult times. Like I told you, there were people that we lost in our lives, and again, we were unsure about when is work going to start and where's the money going to come from. And through it all, and through all the ups and downs, I think to just see Salman's strength, was really amazing, because people crumble under pressure, but he was a source of inspiration to all of us here. So what I've learned is, no matter what is going on in your life and everything may be crumbling in front of you, you need to stay strong, because you are a source of strength for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones and your dear ones. And through all of that, to still be able to be there for people like daily wage workers, to be able to help them out, and to have the heart to understand what they are going through. And not just daily wage workers, I mean sending sacks of food to nearing villages, rice, dal, oil, atta, toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, powder, thinking of all these things and being able to help everybody else while everything else is crashing. So he was a source of inspiration and a source of strength to everybody and his family and his friends. So I think that's what I've learned coming out of this lockdown. Yeah, we were fortunate enough at that time to be able to come out with Tere Bina. That was shot, him and Jacqueline. Again, it was sort of what we call the new normal today, because there was just one camera set up and just a regular camera. And it was beautiful that he was able to put something and create something for his fans. And again, a great opportunity that I got to interview both him and Jacqueline, which was sort of a little bit of a promotion for the song. So we tried to do the best we could, given the situation and given the scenario, to reach out to his fans, and the social media has become that connect, because theaters have shut down, everything has shut down. So the only connect that you have with your fans and with your audience now is social media. So I think, Salman tried his best to stay connected and not forget his fans.
So अगर फ्यूचर में हम अगर थॉट रखें कि सलमान के साथ वॉल्यूशन नजर आएंगे तो ये पॉसिबल है या फिर
खुदा जाने
खुदा जाने
like I said, I've never planned my life out. Whatever has happened. The journey has been tough. The struggle is very real. Agar dekha jaye to Fan is a film I did very late in my life. It was not like I was 18, 19 or 20. और हाँ, वो thought लेके जा सकती हूँ कि why did things not happen to me earlier in life? I could have been living in that, with regret. But I believe in timing in life. So everything happens to you when it is supposed to happen. So, yeah, you never know.
वलुषा, हम अगर लाइफ को प्लान करके हम अगर जीते हैं ना, तो उसमें मजा भी नहीं आता, वो चार्म भी नहीं रहता। तो ऑब्वियस आप अपनी लाइफ को सेलिब्रेट कर रही हैं, तो इससे बड़ी बात कोई हो नहीं सकती वैसे। सो तो जाते रहते क्रैकडाउन के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, जो ऑडियंस देखना चाहती है, आपको देखना चाहती है, उनके लिए क्या कुछ कहना चाहती है?
I'd like to say to everybody watching, please go and watch Crackdown. That's going to release on the 23rd of September on Boot Select. So you're going to have to download Boot Select. Please do it. It's an action thriller put together with a lot of love. And yeah, I had a ligament tear, so a lot of dedication put into it. You will be sitting on the edge of your seat. Yes, it's got a lot of twists and turns in the plot. And I'm hoping that you guys watch it. I'm hoping you guys love it as much as I loved putting this together.
थैंक यू सो मच वलुषा। आई होप कि ये जो आपकी फिल्म है हर किसी को पसंद है, हर कोई इसको इतना ही प्यार दे जितना आपको हमेशा से देता है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस। थैंक यू
सो मच।
बाय।